What I do love about doing hair is using different types of tools. For this modern shag that I'm going to be doing on Karen, I'm going to be using our signature razor for super soft lines and fringe around the face, and also the perimeter in the back. I'll show you what I'm going to do with it later. Then I'm going to go into the 8-inch monster curves. The curves are slightly turned to create slightly soft hair. You're going to love it. Okay, I'm going to start with the perimeter on this modern shag. I'm going to be using the signature razor that Ricardo and I have developed. This thing is awesome. Once again, bringing the hair straight down. Instead of using my straight blades, I'm going to use this for a softer edge. Come right through here. Scrape it right down. Immediately, you can see the soft edge on the line. I wish you could see it a little better through the black, but it will do. Drape down. Another section, come underneath. Wow, that's instant softness. Come down here, drape it down. Keep the line perfect on that razor. Come straight across. Soft, look how nice and soft that line is. Next one, drape it down. I come here, my hand follows on the drape, which puts it down nice and even and prepares the hair for cutting. Coming all the way around the head. Here it comes again. Awesome. Once again, we don't need to be too precise because we want that soft edge, but it's looking very precise to me. Back there. Drape it in all the way, all the hair in the front coming back to the front, all the hair in the front coming to the back. Come in there. Take my blade, open it up, soften the line just a little bit more at the end, all the way across. Wow, she's got perfect natural curl in her hair for a modern shag, and you'll see once I start styling exactly what I mean. Coming through here, I'm going to move on her right side of the head, do the same thing I did on the other side, drape it back, follow it up with my hand, come in through here. Cut that perimeter line nice and soft. Come in here, soften it up on the ends. Look at the line we've got going right here. It's beautiful. It's soft. It's a perfect length. Everything on this side, bring it back. Dip the head up again. Follow up with your hand. Come through here. Focal point of a mid-length shag is the fringe around the face. Constantly being aware of softness. Going back to my signature razor. I take come off the center, slightly A-framed around the face, bring it straight down. I want to consider the texture of the hair, because that's what's going to depend on the length of the fringe. I know she's got natural wave. Take that into consideration. Leave it a little bit longer. I sort of like the fringe on the modern shag a little longer too. I think it's sexier. But I can play with it. I don't want to cut it too short in the beginning. Come through here. Split it down the middle. Woohoo! Just using the soft edges of the razor just to go in and surf around the perimeter. Really soft freestyle. You want to keep your hands as soft as you can with the razor. It's not a structured tool. It's meant to create soft lines. Look at this, coming straight through. There it is right there. Moving around the side. Take a section coming around the back. Let's move the hair forward. And now we're going to blend that all with the fringe that we initially cut, such as this. Soft hands. soft hands. Take it again, over direct it forward, over the perimeter that we already cut. Soft hands, all the way down. Incorporate it all the way into the length that we previously cut in the very beginning. Short to long, soft and fringy. We've got this side cut, perimeter, perimeter. Let's get over to the left side. Dip the head down a little, take that angle, bring some of the hair back, over direct it. Here it comes. Soft hands, soft razor, create soft edges. Come through here, over direct it, come in through here. Soft hands. Come across all the way to the back. Let's get the length coming around the corner to make the complete blend. Here it is. It's right in my hand. Soft, 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 soft. Going and working my way all the way down to the length. One more section to complete that. Soft, 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 soft. Just like you're painting. You can catch us on Altieri, theartofhair.com for our education. Coming through here, right here. One more time right here. Now I'm just picking the pieces up. Everything that drops over the first line that I cut, which is my perimeter line, gets cut. Come back here, down through here, over direct to that length. That's good. As I'm sitting here working with this hair, I think I'm going to change my design line just a little bit, because her hair's got such great natural wave to it that I don't think I need to go in and do as much texturizing as I thought I was going to do. So once again, less sometimes is more. Cutting the perimeter around the face. Let's shake it around a little bit, how it's going to fall. I think the bangs are perfect length. I like them just a tad longer. 2020 Shags get a little bit longer fringe, I would say, especially with naturally wavy, curly hair. The back line I cut with the razor. The fringe around the face with the razor. All the way around the perimeter of the face on both sides. I think the length of the bangs are perfect. Her natural wave is starting to set in. I'm going to finish this cut once I dry it. Come back. Let's go back to this. Remember, I cut the length with the razor to soften the line up back here. The fringe, razor, all the way around the perimeter of the face, cut with the razor. Now I'm going to go in with the monster curves like I promised you earlier. A main focus on a modern shag is the lift on the crown. Perimeters are perfect. It's nice and soft. Let's get the lift here to create that certain shape for that shag. I'm going to do something I call free cutting. I'm going to take my monster curves, which I talked to you about earlier. What I want to do here is I just take the hair, shake it naturally. This is after we blew it out a little bit. And you can tell that she's real heavy up on top. So what I want to do here is I just want to piece it out. And the way that I free cut is just by lifting the hair up, letting these soft blades just go real wispy off the hair, moving in the direction, working off the crown, just like this, one step at a time. Cut some, moving all the way around the head, real light on the hands, just like I was with the razor. Real light. Lighter you are with your hands in the hair, on the blade, the lighter and softer the hair comes out. So again, just aerating, free cutting just a little, picking the hair up real softly. Different degrees of hair in my hand. A lot, a little bit lighter towards the end. Yeah, just pick it up. Go to my comb. I'm going to pick the hair up. Very similar how I cut the perimeter with the razor, but I'm going in with the monster shears. I'm going to take that, I'm going to over direct it that way. And I'm just going to aerate into the hair. It's just invisible layering. Going with the grain of the hair, chopping it in. Let's go to the other side just to balance it out a little bit. Come across this way. Over direct it to the opposite side, same way I did with the razor around the face. So what I want to do now is extremely important. I'm going to try to get a little bit of that natural texture back in. So I want to go in with one of my favorite products from Colure. Is this. I'm going in with the razor once again. Monster shears are down, razor's in my hand. I just want to take a little bit of the weight just above the eyes. So I'm going to dip the head. Come in here and just scrape it. Come in here, just scrape. Scrape, scrape. Be soft on it.